Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the various data sources available with the Power BI services and how to extract the data. So as you can see, I've got the Power BI desktop open here, and on the home tab you can see there is this get data icon. So if I click on the get data icon, it shows me the common data sources, but I can go to the end and hit on the more button, and you can see that it has opened a pop-up for us where I can see all the data sources that are available. But I can also find the broad categories for data. So all files, I can connect to Excel file, I can connect to text or CSV, XML, JSON, Parquet, and I can also connect to folders. So this is a really good one. If you've got files with the same format in a folder, you can point it to the folder and just get all the data. Then we've got databases, and here we've got SQL Server, Access, Oracle, DB2, Netezza. There are quite a few options available. So you can see Amazon Redshift is available, Google BigQuery is available, and so on and so forth. Then you can also connect to the Power Platform. So you can connect to Power BI datasets, you can connect to Power BI data flows, you can connect to the Dataverse. Then you can connect to Azure data sources. So you can connect to Azure SQL database, you can connect to a couple of, well, not a couple, quite a few other options. Then you've got online services that you can use. So in the online services, you can see SharePoint, you can connect to SharePoint, you can connect to Google Analytics, you can connect to GitHub, Smartsheet. So there are a couple of them which are in beta, which means that they're still being tested, but they're available, they're widely available, we can use them. And then we can click on the other. So as part of PL300, we will definitely explore connecting to a few data sets. But mostly it will be, as we go along, we'll take detailed examples for maybe CSV files, Excel files, and SQL Server database. But it'll give you a general idea as to how to connect to a database. The underlying process remains the same, but the credentials or the query strings that you need to pass on might be different. So there might be more query strings or parameters that you might need to pass for some data sources. So just to recap, in this video, we basically just did an overview of the various data sources which are available in the Power BI desktop, how to access them and how to connect to them. And then we looked at the broader category for those data sources. And we also discussed what we will be taking on in this YouTube list. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.